Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the fierceness. Welcome back to this gig. Welcome back to the best channel in the world. Oh yes, oh yes. So here we are. Cat. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm going out tonight, so that means I get rid of my makeup tutorial. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Yes, I know. So what I'm going to what I'm going to be doing today is another neon look. Yes, I know. I'm not going to be wearing this red t-shirt. I'm going to wear like a dark grey t-shirt. Gonna look quite sexy. So I'm going to do like a black kind of like winged eyeshadow. Yeah, so literally what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in my BH Cosmetic palette, as you guys should all know about now. And I'm going to go in with the mattes palette, which is this one, Ultimate Matte, 42 colour shadow palette. And I'm going to go in with the black, and I'm going to, oh hello, and I'm going to create a cut crease around here first, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into my metallic palette, and I'm going to go in with like a dark glitter metallic black shimmer for like the eyelid, and then I'm going to go in with a neon yellow, kind of like around the inner corner and then a bit up with a cut crease, which I'll make with some foundation. That's the vision at the moment. Who knows what will happen. But yeah, so I'm going to go and start on that. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go and make cut crease with this matte black. And yeah, so let's get into the video, guys. Oh yes, excited. Yes, cause we are. Smell of chemical success. Right, so that's how I've got so far. I throw it on this side of the eye compared to this side, but I'm sure I'll work in it, but over it right now. So what I'm gonna do, yeah. So I'm gonna put some foundation on. Well, I already have put foundation on my face, but a bit on the eyelid, so that the metallic black shimmer sticks more. So I'm gonna go and do that now. So I'm gonna go and look at that little goopity goop. So yeah, I'm just going to go and pop that on and see if it messes it up, which it might do, who knows. Think of the views. You know what, it went okay. So now I've done that, now literally I'm going to go into the metallic black shimmer shade, which I've said like 10 times. So I'm going to go and pop this on my eyelid like so. Such a teacher. Love it. Pay me, YouTube. About time, isn't it? Yeah. Right, so there we go. I think I've left enough room, so I can just literally go straight into the neon yellow. So yeah, I'm gonna go and do that. I'm gonna get my Stargazer neon yellow. Hopefully don't get it everywhere, because you know, losing product is money, time is money. So I have my Stargazer neon yellow. Alright, so I've done that. Now because the fallout is insane, I will have to go over it with the eyeliner. But that's fine, we don't care. Right, so I'm going to put some concealer on from Revolution, the Conceal and Define. So yeah, I'm literally going to just go and put that on, and just probably, yeah, you know, the usual little triangle. So yeah, I'm probably just going to go and do that. So I'll show you guys me doing that. Like I said to you guys, I've already put foundation on, so that's all good. Right, so what I'm going to do, I think it made it look a bit better, is I'm just going to go under the eye with the black. If you see what I mean, it kind of gradually fades in, like it kind of needs like somewhere to go. So see, I'm just going to go and do that. Yeah, okay. Oh, that's so me. Okay, I love it. Well, I don't know if has that gone a bit too cray. Let me just do a bit of blending. Yeah, right, okay. Sorted. Slam dunk in the bag. Yes. I'm that makeup artist, B. Up and coming, can't you see? So I'm going to go in with highlighter. And I'm just going to go in with the yellow, because that will match the entire look. So yeah, I'm literally just going to go and highlight my face. I don't think I'm going to bother with contour, because it's kind of getting late now, I need to go, so... I'm only going to swell it off anyway, right? I'll get it licked off. Oh, what kind of light will it be? Who knows? So yeah, I'm just going to go in with a black lipstick and lip liner and lip gloss, and that should be it. So I'm actually using waterliner. Oh, I should just use it up. Because, do you guys know with lip liners, do you have to have like special sharpeners? Because like normal sharpeners just don't seem to do it. Oh, okay, just sharpen my lip liner with a pencil sharpener and it just worked. I fancy that. So stupid, right? Anyway, so I'm going to go and do lip liner and the black lipstick from Barry M. This is from Barry M as well, I think. Yep. Right, so I'm going to go into Barry M black lipstick now. Just put the lip gloss on now. I need one coat. That's good. Always give my little brushes a wipe down so it gets all the lipstick colour off, so that when I next do use it, I won't get the colour of my previous lipstick on it. So yeah, that's nice. Just a little tip from me. A little beginner muggle makeup artist to another. Assuming you're another makeup artist. Whatever, it's boring. So next, I'm going to give my face a little spray. Right, so it's very gothy, but I don't care. I'm a bit of everything. Me, I don't care. Goth me up, sis. So yeah, I love it. So yeah, hope you guys like the look. Basically, I know if it looks good, I basically want to have sex myself. So, and I really do. So this look is sickening. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and hit the bell notification to be notified when I next pop on your screen with a new video. Yes, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye.